Hi, everybody. Welcome to Hiration. This video will walk you through steps on building a cover letter from an existing resume, as well as building a cover letter right from the scratch. So let's get started. To begin with, all you need to do is look for a resume on the Hiration platform, which you would like to be utilized for the generation of your cover letter. When you find that resume, all you need to do is click on Generate Cover Letter. So this is a white pop-up box that appears as soon as you click on the Generate Cover Letter feature. Now, if you're specifically targeting a job role that you would like to generate a cover letter for, you can definitely paste the job description of your choice into this box right here. However, if you're not targeting a job role specifically, you can always click on Submit and tailor your cover letter in the future. And you're all done. The cover letter is ready to be viewed. So when you click on the View Cover Letter option, this is what the cover letter looks like. One thing that you do need to keep in mind while working on this cover letter template is that this is not a final version nor a final draft. This is just an instructional template provided to guide you through what each paragraph in your cover letter must entail. You still need to work on this cover letter, modify it, and add content to it according to your preferences. So you see, all the 3 paragraphs are directional. Each paragraph entails information that you must include in your cover letter for your cover letter to stand out in front of a recruiter. Quite similar to resume formatting options, you have similar formatting options for the cover letter as well, be it the font styles, the font sizes, margins, and the spacing. Similarly, you can turn the tips and guides section on for additional insights on improving certain sections of your cover letter better. Quite similar to resume tailoring is the cover letter tailoring feature. Just how it is not considered advisable to send one generic resume to multiple recruiters while applying for multiple job roles, it is equally necessary that you tailor your cover letter while sending it to multiple recruiters at the same time. So to tailor your cover letter, all you need to do is paste the job description of your choice and let the platform analyze how much in sync the job description is with your current cover letter. Again, this takes a few seconds to be analyzed, and there you go. The job description is a 30% match with your existing cover letter. This is how you can see suggestions on how you can improve your cover letter and make it seem more desirable for better recruiter scanning. Now, one important thing to keep in mind is that you shouldn't add every missing skill that the platform flags to your cover letter. Take a moment to think it through and include only those skills that actually make sense for the role that you're applying for and for your cover letter. This is it for generating a cover letter from an existing resume. Let's see how you build a cover letter from scratch. To build a cover letter from the scratch, all you need to do is look for the white panel on your left, spot the cover letter feature, and now that you're here in the cover letter dashboard, click on Create a New Cover Letter. You have multiple cover letter designs to choose from, but please make sure that the cover letter design you choose is corresponding to your resume template just to maintain uniformity. Let's go with this for the cover letter. This is a page where you will see pre-written cover letter options. They are all instructional in nature and are provided to you by your university, so you can pick any of these. Let's go with the blank template and basic instructions. And there you go. Here it is, an instructional cover letter template. You can modify it again however you'd like to, and make best possible use of the instructional suggestions mentioned below each paragraph. And you already know how to tailor a cover letter according to a job description. So there you go. You're all set to build a cover letter from scratch on your own. Thank you for watching.